Hey, today I want to talk to you about in this List Infinity review, about a new system called List Infinity that is a viral email list building system that also pays you instant $10 and $100 commissions, and those commissions get paid directly to you into your PayPal or Stripe account, which is really nice. So List Infinity, again, it's a viral email list building system, and so it's going to be a great way for you to get started in the profitable email marketing program. And so basically it's going to teach you how to build a nice email list. Now, depending on what level you start at, every fifth lead is that your referrals generate will get passed up directly to you. And so that's the viral part of it. So the work of the people that you help get started, their work, you're going to benefit from that work. They do provide some really nice done for you lead capture pages, so you don't have to worry about creating those. They integrate with your autoresponder, and so you capture those leads immediately. And then again, you get these instant payments, either $10 or $100, depending on what level people start at. There's some additional income streams inside the back office, which we'll look at here shortly, and they're going to provide some really helpful traffic training for you that will help you get started growing your email list. Now, here on the sales page, they have all these nice screenshots from their Facebook group, and so you can see these. And again, these are people getting paid $100 directly into the PayPal or Stripe accounts. Okay, so it does integrate both with Stripe and with PayPal. And again, these payments are not going to List Infinity, they're going directly to you, which is really nice. That's one thing I really like about List Infinity, is that you're getting the payment directly. You're not having to wait to be paid from List Infinity. It's coming directly to you. They do have a very active Facebook group as well, which I find super helpful. Again, you're getting these high converting pages. We'll look at these in a second when we go into the back office. You're getting the training. You're getting a follow-up email sequence that you can import into your autoresponder, which is nice because then there's a 30-day follow-up email sequence. So when someone gets started, they're going to be sent an automated follow-up messages for 30 days about upgrading. And there's some additional things you get if you're a pro member, some additional training. They have this vacation offer if you're a pro member. And this is essentially where we're at. Now, List Infinity, the one thing that I do like as well is they're constantly, working to improve the system, make it better. So right now, your options for joining List Infinity are either at a starter level or at what they call their pro level. And so what's the difference? Well, they both include one-time fees to start. The starter level is a one-time fee of $10. At the pro level, it's a one-time fee of $100, and then there's a $25 administrative fee so that List Infinity can do all the things they need to do in the back office of your system, so you get credit for everything. And so let's just go through it. At the starter level, you're going to earn $10 per sign up, and again, that goes directly, instantly into your PayPal or Stripe account. At the pro level, it's going to be $100. You get the 14 high converting lead pages. That's the same thing on the pro level. Now, 1 out of every 5 of your leads, if you're at the starter level, are going to pass up to whoever you got started under. At the pro level, you keep all of your leads. None of them pass up. You get the built-in 30-day email follow-up sequence that'll help encourage your leads to upgrade, and you get that on the pro level as well. You're going to learn about how to drive traffic through Facebook marketing and solo ads, and you're going to get some solo ad providers that are recommended, and we'll take a look at that in a second in the back office. You get that on the pro level as well. And then some promotional materials, banners, swipes, etc. You get the pro level as well. The additional things on the pro level side is, again, they offer this free vacation as well as a $200 restaurant voucher. So that may be interesting to you. They do offer some additional income streams, so additional passive affiliate commissions that you can make, which we'll look at in a second when we go to the back office. And then also some additional training, so 6 additional training video courses. So if you want to learn how to build your email list through Instagram marketing, YouTube marketing, Facebook, TikTok, etc., those are some additional training that they have if you're at the pro level. So let's do a quick example here. So let's say someone, again, what is Listinfinity? It's viral email list building with instant $10 and $100 commissions paid directly to you, depending on what level you're at. So let's say you get started at the starter level. You pay $10. And again, the beauty of it's a one-time payment. That's it. It's not a subscription. You just pay one time. And now you have the ability to earn $10 payments over and over and over and over again. So you're at the starter level. You paid your $10. You promote the system. You promote Listinfinity, and someone else decides to join under you at the starter level. And so you get that instant $10 payment to your PayPal or Stripe account. Now, they start generating leads, and they generate 100 total email leads. They're going to keep 80 of them, but 1 out of every 5 will pass up to you. So you're going to get 20 of those 100 email leads, and that's the viral part. Now, if any of those leads decides to upgrade to Pro, because you're only at the starter level, when they upgrade to Pro for $100, then whoever the next Pro sponsor is above you is going to get that $100. And so that's some incentive for you to not stay at the starter level, but upgrade to the Pro level. Because at the Pro level, if you generate 100 leads, you're going to keep all 100. Okay? If you're at the starter level and you generate 100 leads, you're going to keep 80, but 20 of those are going to pass up because you don't keep all of your leads at the starter level. Okay? At the Pro level, if you generate 100 leads, you keep all 100. None of those pass up. You get $10 anytime joins under you at a starter level account, but you also keep the $100 when they upgrade to Pro. And then you also have some additional income from affiliate commissions in the back office we'll take a look at, and you get that extra training, and there's also that vacation and restaurant voucher as well. And so here's a really nice thing. You can join Listinfinity for just $10 one-time payment. Start promoting it, start earning $10. Once you've got 10 people started at the starter level, then you have the $100 that you need to upgrade to the Pro level. Well, maybe 13, right? Because it's 100 plus 25, you need 125. So you get 13 people to join at the starter level. Now you can upgrade to Pro. Now, unfortunately, some of those 13 people that you got to join at the starter level, some of them did upgrade to Pro most likely, and you lost out on those $100 payments. But that's just a decision you have to make if you want to join at the Pro level right away so you get all the benefits, or if you're okay with some of those payments passing up and your leads passing up until you are able to upgrade. But that's the beauty of it, is you have the flexibility to decide what level you want to start at. So let's go take a look in the back office here. They give you so when you log into your back office, you're going to see what level you're at. And then they have a really nice system over here. The system setup is great because it just walks you through step by step, and it shows you exactly what to do. They have videos that show you how to, let's just open one of these, okay? So how to set up your autoresponder, whether it's Aweber, whether it's GetResponse, or Traffic Wave, which are the 3 they integrated with right now. And so you get all that set up, how to customize your bridge page, it's step by step, okay? And then as you can see, they have videos, they have screenshots. So if you're not super technical, don't worry about it because they show you exactly how to do it. So very easy to set up. Now here's the lead pages. So that you have 14 different lead pages, all nice, high quality. Let's open up one of these. You don't need to create the lead page. You don't need to host the lead page. It automatically integrates to your email autoresponder. So you promote this lead page. People look at it. They put it into the email. They hit send me the details. When they click on that, they're added to your email list. They'll start getting the 30-day follow-up email campaign. And then they're immediately taken to this sales page where you're going to get credit if they join at the $10 if they join at the starter level, or if you're a Pro member, then you're going to get $100 if they decide to join at the Pro level. Okay, and so that's just one example, but these are all very nicely done lead capture pages. So again, you don't need to create it, you don't need to host it. They do all that for you. You just need to promote the lead pages, or you can send people directly to the sales page if you want. You can send people directly here as well. So these are the lead pages that you get. You're going to get some solo ad training. They do have a solo ad Rolodex. These are solo ad providers where you can buy leads from. Facebook training, promotional tools where they provide you banners, graphics, etc. And then some stats. And then if you're at the pro level, all the additional training that you get on marketing, say from TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, etc. Now, this is some of the affiliate commissions we're talking about, the additional income streams. If people log into their back office, they're learning about solo ads for traffic, and if they decide to buy some solo ads through Udemy, then you're going to earn affiliate commissions. In part of the system setup, they talk about adding tracking pixels, and they talk about using Click Magic for their tracking pixels. And so if they decide to get a ClickMagick account, then you earn affiliate commissions, and those are paid monthly. And then, obviously, they talk a lot about using Aweber as the email autoresponder, which is a great option. And so if they get an Aweber account through you, then you earn an affiliate commission from their Aweber. So these are some additional affiliate commissions that you can make from Aweber, ClickMagick, and Udemy solo ads. And so that is the overview for List Infinity. I hope that makes it very clear. If you have any questions, definitely leave me a comment down below. Reach out to me if you need any help. And if you do want to get started with List Infinity, and it is just, again, $10 to get started, one-time fee, or if you want to go pro, $100, then I'll leave my link in the description box below. Thanks so much. I appreciate you watching the video. I hope it helped. Leave me a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe so you can get more information as it comes out.